Hey everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through the detailed steps on how to call eBay customer service. Whether you're facing issues with an order or have questions about your account, reaching out to eBay's support team can be a lifesaver. First things first, make sure you're logged into your eBay account using your credentials. If you're new to eBay, don't worry. Simply click on the Create an Account option. Here, you can select the type of account you wish to create, whether it's personal or business. You'll need to provide your full legal name, an email address, and a password. Once you hit the Create Account button, you're good to go. To make it even easier, you might prefer to continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple for a quicker setup. There are numerous reasons why you might want to contact eBay customer service. Perhaps you've encountered an issue with an order, such as missing or damaged items, or maybe there's been a delay in delivery. These are situations where eBay's support team can help resolve matters swiftly. For account-related queries like password resets, account suspension inquiries, or assistance with managing your account settings, eBay customer service is there to guide you. Once you're logged in, head over to the Help and Contact section. This is just one way to find assistance. Start by typing "Call" into the search bar, and you'll see options to contact eBay if you can't find the answers you're looking for in their help articles. If you have specific issues related to wireless service contracts, remember that only authorized resellers can list cell phone service contracts on eBay. When you click on Contact eBay, you'll be directed to a page where, initially, you might not see a direct phone number. Don't worry. Scroll down to where it says Contacting a Seller. In the Need More Help and Contact Us sections, you can choose to get help from an automated assistant or speak with an agent. Click on that and another page will appear where you can select the specific issue you're experiencing. This step is crucial as it leads you to the information you need to get in touch with a live representative. Another method to contact eBay customer service is through a search engine like Google. Simply type in Contact eBay customer service, along with your region to find the relevant contact numbers. For US customers, the numbers will vary, and if you're in the UK or the Philippines, there will be different numbers to dial. That's it for today's video. I hope this guide helps you navigate the process of contacting eBay customer service more effectively. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.